Keys. So live on today's news today, we have BTC recovers as analyst warns Memecoins face Purge. So live on Concepting article writer, live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria, reviewing this article. So guys, if you buy keys, feel free to click on the subscribe button beneath our videos so you can get notified whenever we drop awesome content or videos that might be beneficial to you. So back to the news, it says BTC has managed to hit $38,000 as the crypto markets be continuing to their recovery for a second day. At time of writing, BTC was rising for 4.77% over the past 24 hours. Surprisingly, Ether and Binance Coin are outperforming, up 8.52% and 6.13% respectively. Now, both currencies have suffered outside losses during a spate of sell-offs earlier this week. All of this comes as global assets continue to enjoy heightened levels of volatility, with cryptocurrencies and equities currently witnessing an exceedingly close correlation. So you can play on SoundCloud these CoinMarketCap podcast, which is very informative. Now, awaiting the Fed on Wednesday, markets in Europe rallied ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting later today, where economies are expected to indicate that the interest rates will begin to rise in March. So the short-term direction of BTC could be dictated by where Wall Street heads next, and to add to the confusion, analysts are pretty divided on what the coming weeks have in store. So while Goldman Sachs believes that the bull market should continue with economies going to continue to grow as lockdowns and following the coronavirus pandemic. Barclays believes that further sell-offs lie ahead. We are expecting to receive a statement from the Federal Open Markets Committee at 2 p.m. EST, followed by a press conference from Chairman Jerome Powell about half an hour later. So some crypto watchers believe that the uncertainty surrounding planned interest rates hikes could amount to a sell the news buy the rumor event, and the prices will yield further once investors actually know what to expect. So Bloomberg Intelligence Mike McGlone, who continues to maintain an upbeat tone on BTC, believes BTC will prevail in the coming 12 months, but warns that smaller altcoins could face aggressive sell-offs similar to the internet purge in 2000 to 2001. So McGlone went on to compare Dogecoin and Shiba Inu with the likes of AOL and Pets.com. So looking ahead, $30,000 is regarded as key support for BTC, and indeed BTC did manage to bounce off $33,000 on Monday. In his latest report, McGlone noted that there are now about 17,000 cryptocurrencies on CMC compared with just 8,000 at the start of 2021. He went on to contrast BTC's limited supply with seemingly endless number of rival digital assets, writing the basic economics doesn't favor broad price appreciation when supply is growing that rapidly. And we see the 2021 pumps looking at you, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, indicating market SSCs ripe for purging. So guys, if you buy keys, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Jabber. We're dropping the link in the description box. Stay tuned for more. Peace out and one love, guys.